How to add text and titles in Vita. First of all, open the app on your device and create a new project or open an existing one. Once your video is loaded on the timeline, move the playhead to the exact position where you want the text or title to appear. Next, tap on the text option from the editing tools. Choose text and the text box will appear on the screen. Tap on the text box to type your title or caption. You can adjust the font style, size, color and alignment to match your video style. After that, drag the text layer on the timeline to control when the text starts and ends. Preview your video to ensure the text is clear and well timed. Now you know how to add text and titles in Vita. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.